Welcome to our solar lighting showroom. We provide reliable and energy-saving solar lighting solutions for global customers. From integrated solar streetlights to high-power outdoor lighting systems, we offer a wide range of models for different projects and environments. Our products are designed for roads, communities, gardens, highways, villages, and commercial areas, equipped with high-efficiency solar panels and long-life lithium batteries. Our solar lights provide stable lighting performance day and night. We also provide decorative solar garden lights and landscape lighting solutions for modern outdoor spaces. High-strength poles designed for stability, durability, and easy installation. Smart lighting integrates security, communication, and public broadcasting in one system. Advanced LED delivers high brightness and stable light, energy efficient and long-lasting. Different styles, different power options, and customized solutions are available based on customer requirements. Every product is carefully assembled and tested to ensure stable quality and reliable performance. Professional production lines help us deliver dependable solar lighting solutions worldwide. Our solar lighting products are widely exported to Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and many other regions. From professional packaging to secure loading, every streetlight pole is fully protected before shipment. Idobo pursues superior quality, professional services, and sustainable energy solutions, striving to light up a greener future. Feel free to contact us for more solar lighting solutions and project support.